welcome back to Benny's Take. I'm your girl Benny, and today I'm super duper excited to be bringing y'all again my takes of the week. We got so many things going on that I'm seeing, and I'm like, before y'all start coming out of pocket, let's just go ahead and address this. But before we do, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. Follow me. Your girl is trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Do all of the things, get into it, okay? First topic, y'all. Halle Bailey is amazing. She is phenomenal. She's an incredible actress. She's an incredible vocalist. She's an incredible singer. She's an incredible performer. She is all of those things. She is beautiful. She is amazing. You understand what I'm saying? I'm talking about, when we talk about black excellence, when we talk about musical geniuses, definitely Miss Halle Bailey is all up in there. You know what I'm saying? Like this young lady is so talented. She does her thing. She handles business. And so if you didn't already know, she has a new song out called Angel. The song is amazing. The lyrics are beautiful. The vocals, very sweet. And even the visuals, like, oh my God, like the melanin skin, the simplicity of it all of the vibes. Halle is giving y'all everything y'all need. You know what I'm saying? Like, Halle is giving us, is it Halle or Haley? That baby is giving us everything that we need. You know what I'm saying? Like, she's so talented, and I love this for her. And I do have to plug it in because I've already started seeing the comparison. I've already started, y'all so miserable. Some of y'all so miserable. Some of y'all don't know what to do with yourselves, that all y'all want to do is be pinning two sisters against each other. Stop it. Stop it right now. Clock out. Clock out. Y'all are putting in way too much time. Y'all are putting in way too much emphasis. Now y'all are comparing her to her older sister, Chloe. Both them ladies are talented as all hell. They're clearly singing differently. They're clearly having different vibes. You know what I'm saying? Like, from their music. Like, Chloe's going to give you body. Chloe's going to give you, a lot of the choreo. Choreo is going to give you, like, facial expression. A lot of this. You're going to get that from Chloe. You know what I'm saying? And Halle's going to give you, both of them give you vocals. You know what I'm saying? Like, Halle's going to give you more of like a chill, a vibe. She's going to give you vocals. She's going to give you some more simplicities, at least with what we've seen from her so far. Them sisters is doing different things, and ain't no need for y'all to be clocking on over here, comparing the two of them. Stop it. Do y'all get paid to be miserable? Do y'all get paid to be hating? Like, are y'all getting money from this? You know what I'm saying? Like, are y'all getting joy out of, like, why are y'all trying to pit these sisters against each other? Who trying to call me when I'm trying to tell these people? Scam likely. Get off my phone. Get off. Are y'all getting paid for this? Like, what do y'all get? Like, what do y'all get out of just looking for drama between sisters? What is the point in that? Why are always trying to pin women against each other? Like, I was scrolling after I finished listening to the video, after I finished listening to the song, and I was like, oh, let me go ahead and search up like the lyrics to make sure that I know all of the words and whatever the case is. Down there already, there was a title that was like, Halle is better than Chloe. Why? Why? Why is that the conversation that we're having? You know what I'm saying? Like, why can't we celebrate both of those sisters for the amazing work that they're doing? Separately, individually, they're each doing their own thing. Why can't we lean in on that? Y'all are messy and y'all are miserable. Y'all are messy and y'all are miserable. You know what I'm saying? And you can have your preference as to what kind of music you want to listen to. You can have your preference as to what you want to do, as far as like your musical interests. But there is no need for y'all to be coming over here pinning one as better than the other, when all these sisters have done is support each other, love on each other, share and celebrate each other's joys. Like, what's wrong with y'all? Stop it. Stop it. Clock out. Clock out. Y'all are so miserable that literally y'all will sit here and find drama where there is none and create storylines where there is none. Leave them babies alone. Leave those young women alone. Chloe is amazing with what she does. Halle is amazing with what she does. Y'all not about to start tearing up these black women's. You know what I'm saying? Y'all not about to do that. Stop it. Because you look nasty, you look dusty, and you look constipated. So let it go. So for the next story, y'all, I don't know if you guys have seen this, but TMZ is messy. I'm talking about TMZ is messy. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not even going to blame TMZ on this. I'm blaming the Somalian government. Because why? Y'all just watch this video. Because why did they send sis to go ahead and represent their country? Why did they send, like, look at this. That baby, at this point, they could have had me come. You know what I'm saying? They would have had a better chance of having me come over there. You know what I'm saying? Like, sis was getting into position and she was looking around like, what is going on? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm only here so I don't get fined. Why would y'all send a non-athletic person to go represent the country? Like, why would y'all do that? That baby, oh, get it, sis. Get into it. Yes, swing those arms. That baby was swinging those arms with everything she had. You know what I'm saying? Like, she was swinging. Oh my God. Look at her. Let's go, sis. Yes, Black Queen. Why I did that? Yo, why I did that? Why I did that? Come to find out, she's not an athlete. She's just related to, who is she related to? Let me go ahead and make sure that there's no confusion or turmoil on my page. But apparently, so the athlete they sent is the niece of Somalia's head of athletics fed. Why would y'all send your niece if your niece don't be running? You know what I'm saying? Like, why would y'all send your niece? Like, I'm here for it. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like now I feel confident and comfortable to sign up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going to represent the kingdom of God, you know, as the beloved child of the Most High. I feel like I need to go ahead and join these races because I ain't going to be by myself. Sis was out here. That baby said, and she was still, and I could tell she didn't even care. Because the way she was swinging those arms at the end, that baby said, who child? Why I did that? Why I did that? You know what I'm saying? So now, I'm going to go ahead and apply. Like, who I got to talk to? Because I feel like I should be able to do research and be joining. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to pull up in there. You know what I'm saying? Again, I'm representing, the memes. Y'all look at this meme. I'm going to attach it right here. Like, that's what sis said. But I'm about to represent the kingdom of God. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be there representing the kingdom of God with my little 2 steps. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be representing. So, I'm here for sis. In my eyes, sis ate. Because a queen is never late. You understand what I'm saying? A queen is never late. She finished that on time. You know what I'm saying? Sis was on God's time. You know what I'm saying? Sis wasn't rushing. You know, sis wasn't out here just like relying on her own understanding. Sis was on God's time. You know, she wasn't worried about the human time. Like, She said, my Father in heaven, you know what I'm saying, has conditioned me and has prepared me, you know, and has made a way for me in front of my enemies. And all I got to do is a little 2-step. I ain't got to rush. The Lord defends me. The Lord is behind me, in front of me and my surroundings. Like sis said, I'm on God's time. And so now in other news, we have Khalid's bodyguard out here trying to protect the singer. You know what I'm saying? Like the singer was out here doing a little run after the performance, to run backstage. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm assuming. And so the bodyguard, being the protector, you know what I'm saying, of Khalid, of the great Khalid, doing his job, the bodyguard decides to go ahead and run and protect Khalid. You know what I'm saying? Except this what happened, y'all. This, yo, oh my God. Oh my God. Do you, what are the requirements for these things? You know what I'm saying? Because between the Somalian, niece, the Somalian athlete that was sent to represent Somalia, between that and Khalid's bodyguard, I feel like I'm holding myself back in life. You know what I'm saying? Like both of those positions, I should be able to fill. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't gonna do nothing different, is what I'm trying to let y'all know. I'ma run like sis was doing, and as clumsy as I am, I can potentially and will most likely be falling in my attempt, you know what I'm saying, to protect, the client. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm holding myself back in life. I need to go ahead and apply for more positions. I need to believe in myself a little bit more because y'all make it look too easy. You know what I'm saying? Like how you gonna fall, sir? That baby said, let me just. And the crazy thing is, it took him 3 to 5 business days to get up. Now that's what pissed me off because I'm like, get up. Get up. In case of danger, now Khalid is over here, can't protect himself because the bodyguard is still on the floor trying to get his bearing. You know what I'm saying? Like, them knees gave out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel for old dude because them knees said, what you thought this was? Not today. You know what I'm saying? And she was like, let me just go ahead and, This how I know this how he gets up. You know that bodyguard, whenever he sit down, he gotta do this right here. Ooh, child. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, he gotta do this. He can't just, get, like, he has to, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, do a little, those sounds. That has to happen. But I'm like, y'all, how are y'all getting these jobs? Like the way he was running, like that baby was out of breath. That baby was fighting for his own life, let alone protecting Khalid. Like, oh my God, I am shooting so low in life. I need to do better. I need to go ahead and apply to multiple jobs. I'm going to go ahead and join the Secret Service. Because, the way Biden been falling, I might be able to help him. You know what I'm saying? Because if I'm one of his bodyguards, he gonna look protected because my needs gotta be better than him. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and apply to a different job because ain't no way y'all have these positions and y'all are just out here, ain't no way. That's it for this week's, takes. Let me know what y'all think. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. And you know what I'm saying? Like, support your girl, buy my merch, read my vlogs, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, buy my, ooh, I have a journal on Amazon. Please, please, please consider buying my journal. The link is, everything is in the description box. Do all of the things until I'm able to get all of these other jobs, that I will be applying for. Consider supporting me so that your girl does not grow, out here and become homeless. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and show me some love and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, Z's.